Wait, calm down. Wait now. Jesus Christ, he might end up run down in night long from nothing there. So get sick, hold on. Hang on, fam. Come. Put your foot in this, come. Jesus Christ, him dead. Come. Come over back. Clothes and skirts and the crooks and move over, you know. Can't make them dead, big brother. Let's go find something. No, you see a dog and the crooks them hungry, but boy, try know. They bring food for the crooks. No one them eat the dog still. Boy, this is more trouble than them can bargain for. You can't move wild enough. I help you, no? Help you, no? Come. Come, no, man. Nothing else, no out of your compound. Come. Come now. Me I try pull you up. Come. Come. Them think me I go probably hurt them, that's why. See what gonna hurt them right there, so see there? Draw one of them and eat him already. Right now come, him look like he might come for them, you know. Yeah, man, them enough, see me? My circle. What a rat you don't get yourself into, yeah? If the crooks are going to dead. No, I'm not going dead. He want eat the dog then. Come. You can't sense fear more than me. Come. 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 Come now. I bet you want to run up one time when you see all the water going here. Come. Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Me a try help you, boy. Johnny, my Johnny. Bombat. Bombat. Come. Yeah, back. Come if you come. Come. Come quick. Come now. Come now. Come now. Come on, come. Come now. Bite it. Bite it. Come. Come, come, come. Out of water, no idiot. You fucked sure. You foolie, man. Me I try to save you. Boy, the other one gone. Boy, I say it go.
Need to fix this shit. Looks like a real slippery area. Pretty dangerous. No signs around it or nothing like that. You can imagine kids could walk right in there. Same thing would happen to that dog could happen to somebody's kids. Anyway, y'all be careful out there, man. This your boy Jay Sweet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm out, man.